So, real quick video, if the pilot light won't stay lit on your propane water heater, I've tried a lot of things, and what it was for me, or at least for right now, the temporary fix is this jumper wire, just a paper clip cut in half, and I pinched it down a little bit, and then I was able to slide it in there, in the thermocouple spot. It's not working at this side. I've already replaced the thermocoupler. I've already sanded down the original one, and then here's the new one, and here's the old fuel rail. One other quick tip too: when you take this stuff out, this one here, I mean, it might be obvious, but it's super fragile, so don't accidentally over tighten it, or you might break this guy off. And I actually broke the original one off. I might be able to pull it back off. Yeah. Let's see. Oops. Yeah, like this, it's not supposed to pop off. But and I tried to like temporary fix it, but it didn't happen. I mean, maybe if I really needed to. Yeah, I mean, it temporarily helped a little bit for testing, but it's no good. So I needed to replace that anyways after taking it off. And I'm pretty good at this stuff usually, so I think must have just barely went the wrong way, a little bit too much on it. But yeah, that's the only other little tip on this project. Oh, and this is probably under warranty still. This is Richmond and Rheem, so they got like a 6-year warranty on parts usually. And I'm about 3 years in, and yeah, I can't get this thing to keep lit. Otherwise, like the pilot will get on. It's a good flame now. I had a weak flame kind of, but now I got a strong flame. And yeah, all it is this here. Let me see if I pull this out if it stays lit. Nope, look at that. Poop. Went right out when I pulled this out. So I'll turn the gas off. It probably already went off, but anyway, so this is what I did with the paper clip. See how I bent it a little bit? I just bent it to size for mine. Yours might be a little different, but that's all it is. And I'll show you without it. I mean, so go to pilot, push the button. Your little flame, that nice strong flame, and it went out. And nice strong flame, holding it down, letting go, and it went out. It's supposed to stay lit, right? And they say up to a minute, but it doesn't really take up to a minute. It only takes like maybe 5-10 seconds, actually, usually. So watch this. I'm gonna turn it back off. Pause it for a second, maybe. Maybe I can just put this in and hold it. Okay. So you want to make sure you're touching both the wires in there. I think I got it. I'm gonna test it and see. So pilot on, push the button down, push the piezo igniter. Got flame. Does it stay lit? It's staying lit. Now we can go to the next step. Turn it. Oh yeah. And yeah, again, like you can't hold the pilot button down as you turn it to the on position. So on this thing, somehow this went defective. And it's under warranty. It's called like a regulator or a modulator or something like that. You call them, they should know what it is. It's just the main thing you twist on. You gotta drain the tank to replace it though. But that might be what it is.